Does AI content hurt a new YouTuber who is starting a YouTube channel? AI content can both help and potentially hurt a new YouTuber, depending on how it's used. Here are some pros and cons to consider. How AI content can help. Content ideas and scripts. AI can generate fresh video ideas or write scripts, saving time and boosting creativity. Video editing. AI-powered tools like Descript or Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features can speed up video editing. Thumbnails and titles. AI can help design eye-catching thumbnails and suggest optimized titles for SEO. Audience insights. AI analytics tools can provide insights into audience preferences, helping tailor content for better engagement. How AI content can hurt. Over-reliance on AI. Overusing AI-generated content might make videos feel impersonal or generic, which can alienate viewers looking for unique, authentic voices. Quality concerns. Poorly implemented AI content can result in low-quality videos, negatively impacting your channel's reputation. YouTube policies. Content entirely or mostly generated by AI might violate YouTube's policies if it lacks originality or value. Algorithm issues. AI-generated content that doesn't resonate with viewers might lead to poor watch time and lower recommendations by YouTube's algorithm. Tips for success. Blend creativity and AI. Use AI to support your work, but ensure your unique voice and personality shine through. Focus on value. Ensure your content provides value to your audience, whether educational, entertaining, or inspirational. Engage authentically. Build connections with your viewers through genuine engagement, which AI can't replicate. If you integrate AI content thoughtfully, it can be a valuable tool rather than a hindrance.